A Stanford study found that heavy multitaskers performed worse on every cognitive measure than single taskers, including the ability to filter irrelevant information. Multitasking doesn't just slow you down, it literally makes you worse at thinking. What we call multitasking is actually rapid task switching. Each switch costs attention residue. Part of your brain is still processing the previous task. Dr. Sophie Leroy's research shows this residue can persist for up to 15 minutes, degrading performance on the new task. The American Psychological Association estimates that task switching costs up to 40% of productive time. For an 8-hour workday, that's 3.2 hours lost to switching. Do the math annually. That's 800 plus hours, or 20 full work weeks, evaporated. Step 1. Close every app except the one you need. Step 2. Put your phone in another room. Step 3. Set a single intention for this work session. Step 4. If a new thought arises, write it on a capture pad and return to your task. Step 5. Only check messages at predetermined times. Challenge. Go single task for one full workday this week. No split screens, no background email. Track your output and compare. The difference will shock you.